In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video call on WhatsApp. This is a quick, simple process you can use to see and talk to friends, family, or colleagues in real time. I'll guide you through each part, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few helpful tips so your call looks and sounds great. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat of the person you want to video call. From your main Chats tab, find their conversation, or use the search bar at the top to type their name and open the chat. If you haven't messaged them before, that's fine. Search their name in your contacts and open a new conversation so you're inside their chat screen. Make sure the contact uses WhatsApp and that you've saved their number correctly. WhatsApp calls only work with contacts who have the app. Next, tap the video call icon. You'll see a small camera icon at the top right of the chat screen. One tap starts the video call. The first time you do this, your phone may ask for permission to use the camera and microphone. Go ahead and allow it so the other person can see and hear you. As the call starts, your front-facing camera typically turns on so you can frame yourself. Hold the phone steady, keep some light on your face, and try to reduce background noise for a clearer call. Now, wait for the call to connect. You'll see it ringing on your screen. Once the other person answers, you'll both be able to see and hear each other. If you notice the video is choppy or the audio cuts out, that usually means the internet connection isn't strong enough. For the smoothest experience, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network, or make sure you have a strong mobile data signal. If you're on Wi-Fi, being closer to the router can help. During the call, you'll typically see options like switching between front and rear cameras and muting your microphone. These are handy if you want to show what's in front of you or quickly silence background noise. If the person doesn't answer, you can leave a message in the chat and try again later. And that's it. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat, tap the video call icon, and wait for the call to connect. With a stable internet connection, you'll be catching up face-to-face in seconds. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next WhatsApp video call.